Hello guys, I have some handy small mini chainsaw. It's good for women because the big chainsaw it's hard. This one is battery operated, and I ordered this from Amazon, and it's MOM. I don't know what's the spell. Link MOM 6 inches, and I'm gonna take it to the reading parallel. So you have to slowly screw the until it look this one right there, the thing. So I got they got some battery for the charger right there. It's got 2 batteries, and got some eyeglass protection, a screwdriver, also extra chain, so and a case also. So right there guys, it's handy. And there it's the oil bar chain. So I don't have the recommend chain, so I use this regular oil for oil bar chain that we use for our other chains. So here's a battery. Then right there guys, battery. There's a brushless, and you got the pump. Before you throw, you have to pump it, so you have got oil. So we need to screw it, slowly turn the screw until the gap between chain and blade closes to 0.3 centimeter, and tighten the cover nut to stabilize it. Tighten the tablet right there, I think. So it's really twist. It's already tight. Slowly turn the screw until the gap between chain and blade closes. Then tighten the cover nut to stabilize. Probably this is the screw. Some file to sharpen with. Okay, so we're gonna tie it up. Go. So let's try how it looks, but we have to put oil first. There's my oil. Put the oil first before you start. It's a tiny, how we don't leak. Usually when you have a chainsaw, it's a gasoline and oil. Okay, we already put it up, and we're gonna cover it up. Let's see how it works, guys. And then we're gonna pump first. See the thing, it pump right there. Watch out for the trigger, danger. So keep the thing, you pump it out. Okay, so anyway, let's start. So have the batteries on. What's the instruction here? How to turn on. Power battery. Clean. Starting battery. Turn it up. So I have an instruction here, guys. You can watch. I hope my battery is still on. I was charging it a long time. Oil, press the bubble. Insert the battery. Push the battery further oil leaks. Yep. Let's see how it works. See? So let's try again, guys. Let's try to cut some trees. Let's see how it looks. Right there, if you want to